What if I told you that fixing your credit in 2024 could be as easy as having a quick chat? Yeah, no expensive credit repair companies or complicated processes, just you, ChatGPT, and a step-by-step plan. And yes, it actually works. So let's dive right in. The importance of reviewing your credit report. All right, the first step is simple. You've got to know what's on your report. Sounds basic, right? But you'd be surprised how many people skip this. Most people rely on basic apps, which are fine for checking your score casually, but not great when you're trying to fix things. If you're serious about improving your credit, you need a detailed, accurate breakdown of your report. So opt for an app or tool that shows you everything from inquiries, collections, public records, you name it. Now, why is this step important? You can't fix what you don't know is broken. When you're looking at your report, you'll be able to clearly see what's helping you, what's hurting you, and what needs to be disputed, identifying negative items and inaccuracies. Once you have your report in hand, it's time to find the negative items and highlight any inaccuracies, in case you didn't know. More than 80% of people have inaccuracies on their credit reports. And what kind of inaccuracies are we talking about? It could be a closed account showing as open, payments marked late when they were actually on time, or inconsistent information between the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you have a certain account with late payments. If TransUnion shows one date for the account being opened, but Equifax and Experian show something different, that's an inaccuracy. The same goes for high credit limits, last reported dates, and payment history. Leveraging consumer law to your advantage. Now that you've identified those inaccuracies, it's time to use the law to your advantage. Yep, you can actually use federal laws to get these negative items removed from your credit report. And the two laws you need to know about are 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB and 15 U.S.C. 1681 IA5. These laws basically say that credit reporting agencies have to ensure that everything on your report is 100% accurate. If they fail to do that, they have to update the information or remove the account entirely. Now don't worry, if you're not a legal expert, you don't need to be. The idea here is simple. Once you've identified inaccuracies on your report, you use these laws to challenge. The law is on your side. But here's where it gets even better. Using ChatGPT to write your dispute letters. Instead of spending hours writing dispute letters or paying hundreds of dollars for credit repair services, you can use AI to do the hard work for you. Here's how it works. Once you've found inaccuracies in your credit report, you can use ChatGPT to generate a professional dispute letter that cites those same laws we just talked about. But here's a tip. It's all about how you prompt ChatGPT. If you just say, "Hey ChatGPT, write me a dispute letter to remove a collection," you're not giving it enough information. You need to be specific. Let's break it down with a real example. Open ChatGPT and type something like, "Hey ChatGPT, I have an account on my credit report that contains several inaccuracies. I'd like to challenge this account using 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB and 15 U.S.C. 1681 IA5, which state that all information on my report must be 100% accurate across all three credit bureaus. If it's not, the account must be updated or removed. Please include that if this isn't corrected in 30 days, I'll take legal action to collect $2,000 in damages for each inaccuracy." Do you see what I did there? By giving ChatGPT the right context and including the laws, you're giving yourself the best chance for success. Now, ChatGPT will spit out a thorough, well-written dispute letter that includes all the legal details, account numbers, and everything you need to send to the credit bureaus. But don't just send off your letter and hope for the best. You need to include a few key pieces of information to ensure your dispute is taken seriously. Here's what you'll need to include: proof of address, recent utility bill, bank statement or phone bill that shows your name and current address, proof of identity, a copy of your driver's license, state-issued ID, or passport. Highlighted inaccuracies. Attach a copy of your credit report with the inaccurate items clearly highlighted. This makes it easier for the credit bureaus to verify the information and removes any doubt about the validity of your dispute. If you don't include these items, you risk having your dispute delayed or rejected. Sending your dispute letter. Once your letter is ready, it's time to send it off. And let me save you a trip to the post office. There are online services that let you send out your dispute letters from the comfort of your home. Here's how it works. You upload your letter and input the address of the credit bureau, and they'll handle the rest. No standing in long lines or dealing with postage hassles. Once you've sent the letter, the credit bureaus have 30 to 45 days to respond. If they don't fix the inaccuracies or remove the negative items, you can escalate the issue and potentially take legal action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.